everybody. Welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jane. This is my jam. And have a couple little unboxing and a reveal and just some commentary about a particular bag for you today. It's getting closer to my birthday month, and I've already gotten some notices from different places that I've ordered from before about, oh, include this code in your next purchase, and we have a free gift for you. So the one that got me to begin with is Guerlain. I love Guerlain perfume. They have one called Insolence, and it smells like violet. And,
not insulin.
No. And the like, if any of you have ever used the Dior meteorites, is that what they're called? That sounds wrong. But you put them on.
It hurts when you rub it on.
No, it doesn't. I have them, but I'm not going to grab them. You just can rub your brush in them, and then you buff it, and it's just a nice finish for your face with your makeup. Well, this perfume, Insolence, smells just like that. And so I bought a few bottles of it already from them. But I decided I wanted to try a new fragrance, and this one looked intriguing. So I put in my order, and I put in my code to get my free birthday gift, and it came. And let's see now.
Did it come with instructions how to open it?
No, and I swear to God, it was just opened a second ago. There we go. Okay. You just pull that out of there. And I've already looked at it, but it pretty much comes...
We couldn't tell.
Hush. It comes like this. And then you open it up. And then it comes like this. So I got 3 packages. So the first one was the perfume that I wanted. And this is really cool. It is, let's see if I can, Aqua Elgoria Flora Chersia. Okay, I don't, that's what it looks like to me. It has some cherry in it, some vanilla, some, I think it's like smoked vanilla. I should have brought the notes and stuff up here, but I did not. But it smells really good. I've sprayed the package a few times. But it comes in this just gorgeous bottle. And then, if you go real close, let's see if the camera can get it, they even inscribe your name on it. And that's done for free.
Doesn't say cameraman.
No, it doesn't. It says my full name.
Oh.
And then the top just comes off like this. And this does appear like it could be refillable, but I'm not about to take the cap off right now. So I just got this. I hadn't smelled it before, but I do like it. Thank goodness. I hate to buy a perfume that I do not like the smell of. Then it let you pick out a few free samples. And they come in this nice little dust bag.
There's a tiny person there?
No.
Oh.
Then this is tobacco honey. I've been wanting to smell that. I haven't opened it yet, but I will.
Smoke it?
No.
Put it between your cheek and gum?
No. And then this is the Bosca vanilla here, and okay, I can't even read. Rosa
Parks?
Palsandrano. So this is like a rose one, this is like a vanilla, and this is a tobacco honey. They've been toting that one quite a bit. I just dropped on the perfumes, not like it matters. So when they said free samples, I said yes. Now you're probably wondering, well, Jamie, what was in the leather box? What was the free gift? And it was this. And
tell her what she's won.
Right. I want to see. This says what it's called. Okay. Now, I wouldn't have guessed that. Okay. It is easy for me to say. It is just this beautiful candle with a little bee on it. And it's very scented. I thought that it had lilacs, but it mustn't. Well, it says it. Well, it says it's called Orchids Imperial, so I'm assuming that's an orchid smell. But it was very lilac-y to me. But either way, it smells awesome. So I got that. And then I have been yeah, I'm a big fan of Coach, just like I like luxury and love Coach. And one of my favorite Coach bags, which I don't think I've shown on here, at least not recently, is this backpack. I absolutely love it. And I got it, and it kind of scratched the itch for the Palm Springs mini LV backpack because I love this. This is just phenomenal. And it doesn't have the problem that the original zippered ones did. Although now I got my zippers kind of like the dust bag caught in it. But yeah, it's got a nice zipper. It's lightweight. It's got padded straps and this pebbled pink leather. The back is nylon, and it's just super comfortable. I never thought I'd be a backpack kind of wearing gal, and turns out I am, as long as they're small. I have another small burgundy one I have not used yet from a different company that I will try as well. But I just found that I really like these. Then I bought a bigger Coach backpack, and I found out I was not a big Coach backpack girl. I did not enjoy the big backpack. It wasn't easy enough to carry around. Yeah, and the only complaint I think I could say about this is I wish this was a little bit bigger, because half the time when I'm trying to carry this around, then I carry it with the straps. Well, that leads me into...
Where do you keep your books? You must keep them in the locker because they can't fit in that backpack.
Where's the off button to the cameraman? Well, I...
We're waiting.
Then decided that the Coach Denim line came out again, and I didn't want to get a tabby necessarily because I already have a tabby and I have a few Cassies, and to me they're somewhat similar bags, and so I didn't know what I was going to get because I knew I wanted something. The LV jean or denim line came out, and beautiful, but the prices are, I just can't. I can't. I would not spend that kind of money for denim bags. I just can't do it. And so I was looking at actually Neiman Marcus's website, because they had 10 and 20% off this past weekend, not the weekend before. This past weekend they had 20% off again, and I believe I got this when it was 20, but it might have been 10% off on Rakuten I'm talking about. But they had this in there, and I knew right away what I was going to be getting from the Coach Denim line. I got this. This is the Coach Denim backpack. Just kind of let you look at it here first.
So backpack with a handle?
Yes. So the one thing I did not like about the other Coach bag, this one has, and it's got like this vachetta leather. Here are the sides.
So you pretty much got to have that flap to the front when you're wearing it, otherwise it might dig into your back. Is that what you're saying?
The what?
The handle might dig into your back if you wear it on your, if you fold it back.
Well, I mean, I guess you could do it either way. I don't think it's going to matter a whole lot.
All right.
But the here's the bottom. So I do like the bottom. It's got a leather pad on the bottom of it. No feet, but I don't know that I want or think a backpack would have feet. But it's got this little tiny lock up front, and you actually could fit some things in there, maybe like some Tic Tacs or a pack of gum in there.
Could you put a chunky bar in there?
With the size they are now, yes. It comes with the little Coach tag. I don't normally like these a whole lot, but on this I just think it looks cool against the denim. So I like that. To open it, there is I know there's a trick to this because I did it wrong originally getting it open. What do you do?
Have you opened it successfully since?
Yes, I have.
Oh, okay.
I get
You get performance anxiety?
yes, in front of you. You just actually, there's a little button here. You just push it right here. So just to show you again that this one is functional, I got it here, and I push the button, and there it is.
You're a big kid now.
And this has the vachetta as well. So I really like that with the handle and the little tag. And then you just open it up, and it's just a nice cavern in there. And then there is a slip pocket on the back side here. And then you could put something in where the patch is, I guess. But I don't know what you'd have that's that small. The inside feels like maybe like a canvas or just a very sturdy material.
It's not vinyl, is it?
No. And
Nylon?
no, it's not nylon either. Then you can pull it tighter. Right here, there's this little leather piece to kind of hold the tabs in there. And then just close it back up here. And I like this too, because half the time when you have problems closing bags like this, when they're not full, it's because there's nothing to hold on to. Well, here, you can hold on to the little vachetta piece they put there, so it's easy to open and close this bag up. And I just love this here. I'm going to let you get a close-up of the denim here. It is just, it's so nice.
Is that a 551 jean, 553?
Oh, stop it. It's not Levi's. It's Coach.
Sorry.
So let's see. Original price was $450. And then, like I said, I had 20% off with Rakuten. And they also were doing a gift card if you spent X amount of dollars. And I bought this, and I needed just a little bit more, so I bought a chapstick. And then I had enough, so I will be getting a $75 gift card as well from Neiman Marcus. So I just thought that altogether was a great deal. So
they get you to spend more money down the road.
Exactly. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, it's nice. So this is what I have to show you today.
I think Neiman Marcus is on the list too now.
No, they're not. And just to kind of show you, they're very similar in size, in case you have the other backpack like I do.
I guess I like the handle more. Gives you the opportunity to do what you like to do with them. Just kind of harry them.
Yeah, I agree. Like, I first wondered about these straps because they're not padded like the other ones, but this is plenty comfortable. It's leather. It's gushy.
And it's not like you're going to have something super heavy in there that you need padded straps.
Right. And these are adjustable. You could cross them over, so you could wear them crosswise if you wanted to. I have mine right now on the next to lowest setting. There's one more under here, and they go all the way up to here. So I guess if you wanted just a smaller, part to hang on to, or you kind of wanted to shoulder it, you could, or do this to it. But I top handle the majority of my bags. So yeah, I just thought this was really cute. So if you have Rakuten, watch the deals. They've been having deals for Neiman, either 10 or, well, like I said, the one day it was 20% off, and or 20% cash back, I should say. This isn't sponsored by Rakuten or anything. I just use it because it makes me feel like I'm saving a little bit of money when I buy some of these things. Stop. And so
it's an illusion.
Yeah, that's what I have to show you. So what do you think? Leave a comment down in the comments down below. And comment about anything you like. I absolutely love when people leave comments. It helps me get to know you a little bit better, and I really appreciate that. I generally put out on the words are hard.
You put out videos. How about that?
Thank you. Yes, I put out videos usually twice a week on Wednesdays and Saturdays. This Saturday, I have a really nice collab coming up with Dawn Loves Couture and Autumn Beckman, so be sure to stop back for that. We got something really cool. And then I have a few more unboxings that'll be coming up, or reveals, in the next couple weeks. I've been just
a buying fool.
Yeah, people see when they don't buy bags, they're on Van Island. Well, when I've been buying bags,
you're on Fantasy Island.
Fantasy Island, Vacation Island. I don't know what it is, but I've been on it. And so, yeah, there will be a number of reveals and unboxings coming up in the next few weeks. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. I'd really appreciate that. And to those of you who are subscribed and who come back and watch me, thank you so much for that. And cameraman thanks you as well. He enjoys this sometimes, I think, as much or more than I do. And if you haven't found me over on Instagram, I'm there as well at James Jam. It's JAME_S_Jam. Usually put out something about once a week, sometimes a little more. Usually I show my bag of the week and what fits. So you can find me there. But otherwise, until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching.